Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I'm bringing you a video today on this 2015 Volkswagen Beetle, which is a follow-up video to a video that we did a few years ago, and that is adding a backup camera to this car. So, these are very popular vehicles. Many of them were made. You'll notice the trunk is open because I'm going to show you the factory radio, which is the RCD510. This is the radio that does not have navigation, but it has the full screen here. Now, we made a video a few years ago adding a backup camera to this screen because there used to be an interface module for it. That interface module is no longer available. We haven't been able to source one for a few years. And as you can see, there's nowhere to plug a rear view camera into this radio. So what do? Well, you have a few options. First option would be to live without a backup camera. Second option would be to install a backup camera like we've done here and put it in the rear view mirror. Third option, which is in my opinion the best option, is add a new radio to the vehicle. Upgrade it, add CarPlay, add Android Auto, add DVD. In this particular vehicle, we added the Sony XAV-AX1000, which is the entry-level Apple CarPlay digital media receiver from Sony, and we added a Riding Duo 2 backup camera. And we did that pretty much for the same price as what adding an interface would cost on this vehicle. So let me just show you a few different things. This is the way the Sony looks. This is the Metra dash kit. I'm going to show you basically by powering on the vehicle how it looks. Apologies for the glare from the sun, but I'm just going to turn this on. So essentially this radio, AM/FM radio, it's got front mount USB, it's got satellite radio capability, it's got Bluetooth. We've installed the microphone up here above the mirror, and I'm just going to show you. If I put it in reverse, there's our backup camera. You can see what the image looks like with the camera being mounted down at the bottom. For those of you who are wondering, there is an emblem camera available for this car. So where the Volkswagen logo is, we can put a camera there. But that camera is quite expensive. It's going to be between $300 and $600 just for that camera. Something like this, a new radio with a backup camera, starting at around $750 to $800 installed. And we've even integrated, I'll just show you, integrated the steering wheel controls.
So I talked to Rob and Danielle.
You got mute, you got volume up, volume down, you got your track forward, track back. So essentially you've got all your factory features with now the addition of a backup camera, and as mentioned, this radio has CarPlay. You don't have to do a CarPlay or Android Auto receiver. You can do a basic DVD receiver that are a little bit cheaper than these, but to be honest with you, this radio is worth about $400, $380-ish, $400. You get CarPlay with it, so why not? Why not use it for that? Hope you enjoyed this video. We're going to add a link to this to the original video we did on this car so that those who watch that video know that that interface is no longer available, but this is an option for you that you can change to. Thank you for watching. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm just going to show you one other feature. We can actually show the video. We show the camera even when the car is parked and when the car is not going backwards. You can see it while you're driving forward. But again, if you like this video, hit the like button. If you could, subscribe to our YouTube channel. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And if you own a Volkswagen Beetle and you want to add a backup camera to it, we can help here at Lockdown Security. We have packages like this readily available. We can both install or ship you all of the parts that you need. And for those of you who are wondering, the dash kit's made by Metra. The interface we used is made by Connex 2. The radio antenna adapter is made by Metra, and again, that's a Sony XAV-AX1000. We'll put links to all the product in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.